Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your last seen or online status on Telegram on your PC, step by step. If you want more privacy while using Telegram, you can control who can see when you were last active or whether you're currently online. So let's get started. First, open Telegram on your computer and sign into your account if you haven't already. Next, click the menu icon in the top left corner of the window. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. Now, look for the Last Seen and Online option and click on it. You'll see several privacy options. To hide your last seen and online status from everyone, select Nobody. If you only want your contacts to see it, choose My Contacts. You can also use the Always Share With and Never Share With options to create exceptions for specific people. Once you've selected your preferred privacy setting, Telegram will save your changes automatically. You can now close the settings window. Your last seen and online status will be visible only to the people you've allowed. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your last seen or online status on Telegram on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.